everyone, my name is Divya and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Divya Diaries. And today's video is going to be the 18 things I learned at my 18, and it's going to be a little longer video, but please watch till the end. So without further ado, let's just get started into today's video. And also I'll be looking down because I have all my points written down in my notebook so that I don't forget. So yeah, let's start with the first one. The first one is acceptance. I feel acceptance is really very important because if you don't accept a bad situation, you just can't come out of that situation because you think a lot of things. You think the pros and cons and you don't get to solve or you don't get out of that one. So it's better if you just accept it and move on from it. And also you should accept yourself. For the longest time I had a hard time accepting myself, but once I started accepting it, I feel it's the best thing you can do because you can come out of your comfort zone, you can try out new things. I guess acceptance is the key to the personal growth and also development. So yes. The second one is don't expect. Yes, expectations often leads to disappointments and everything. I actually did not believe it before, but once you start experiencing new things, you just can't expect. Let it be a bond, like let it be a friendship or something. You will be really disappointed if that opposite person in that bond don't give you that much in return. But you just can't expect anything. You just do your work and give it some time, and you will really know what you're up to. But when you expect things, you will have like different scenarios in your mind and you just can't digest the fact when you don't get that exact thing you wanted. It's just a mess when you expect things, so just don't expect things. And the third thing is small things matter. Yes, we often think about those big things which are gonna happen and we'll think that we're gonna find that happiness in that particular thing. But when you do a little small thing you love and you don't even get that kind of happiness from a really big occasion or something, it just shouldn't keep small things aside thinking that big things are coming. When you start doing small things, then you will reach to that one big thing, I feel. So yes, I learned this really very late. I wish I knew this before, but never mind. Now coming to the fourth one is trusting yourself. It is really very important to trust yourself because without that you can't do any work properly. I mean, you will do, but you don't get that 100% happiness, I feel, because you just can't expect others to believe in you when you don't trust your own self. But if you do one thing fully trusting yourself, you will get the outcome like crazily good, I feel. So yes. Okay, now the fifth one, don't let other people's opinion bring you down. This is something which we all do, which we all face on a daily basis. People will talk about you like in different ways. People's opinion vary like person to person, but you yourself know what you are and what you're going to do. But if you think about what other people think about you and stop doing things you love, I don't even think that is a correct thing to do, because back then I did stop doing things thinking about other people's opinion. I was never happy, but when you start doing things on your own by putting your mind in a clear space, I feel you grow more and you be happy more. So yeah. The next one, that is the sixth one, is get out of your comfort zone. This is something we all should do, I feel. I know we are really scared getting out of a comfort zone and doing and trying new things, but once you do that, you feel really good about yourself. I did too. Coming out on YouTube and trying new stuff, it was never my thing. It was always on my list, but I am extremely introverted person, so it's very difficult for me to get out of my comfort zone and do things. But now when I started doing things out of my comfort zone, I feel so good and I feel very confident about myself. And that is the most important and happiest thing I learned. I guess you guys should also start coming out of your comfort zone and try new things. So the next one is self-love. It is something which is very precious and which is only you can do that, because when you don't love yourself, you can't tell that other people don't love you, because you are the only one who can be with you for every day, every minute and every second. So you should love yourself like more than anyone, and you can do much more better when you love yourself. So don't forget to do that. The eighth one is, don't think about your past mistakes. We all have done many things which we shouldn't have done, and there are many mistakes which we have done in the past. But thinking about that, you just can't proceed and you can't stop doing things. And if you have done something in wrong, just don't let that happen again now, and it's going to be fine. But thinking about it happened like that, I did a mistake, and stop doing things is not the right thing, I feel. The next one is, positivity is important. Yes, I learned this very, very slowly. But if you have a good positivity going around you, if you have a positive mind, if you have a positive group, don't let that go. It is very difficult to get positive things nowadays. You can't really expect every person to give you positive vibes. You can actually create your own positive vibes and be happy, because negativity will only let you down. But if you be in a positive vibe and positive mind, you can do things a lot better in peace. So yes, be much more in a positive self of you. One is, continue doing what you love. Yes, this is something is also very important. I say this so many times, but still, it comes from my own experience. Obviously, I stopped dancing. I used to dance a lot from childhood and I love dancing, but in between I stopped thinking about other people's opinions and a lot of other stuff, and I regret doing that. But now when I started doing and experimenting more, it feels so good, because doing things you love is really, really great. Let it be. If you're not perfect in it, you can learn from it, but just don't stop doing things you love. To the 11th one, doing mistakes and learning from them is important. Yes, as I already said, we all do mistakes, but not learning anything from them is not a good point. I feel if we do a mistake, we should learn from it and move on and see that next time it won't repeat. One is, do not overthink. This is something which I have to remind myself every day, because I am an overthinker and I used to overthink for everything. I do that now also, but not that bad, I guess. Like, there are many people who tell me, don't do this, it's very bad for your thinking and everything, but I used to not stop. But once you try not to overthink, you will really have a clear mind. So just don't overthink and ruin things out. The key point is, it is okay to be different than others, because we often see ourselves comparing to other people, thinking that they are better. But every person is different and every person have their own perspective of thinking. So it's fine if we think differently and we have our own kind of a way to solve things, because everyone is different and it is completely okay if you're totally different from others. But you have to be just you and the real you. The next thing is, winning is always not important. I mean, it is important, but you should not be too much into it, because we learn a lot of things from losing too. But we shouldn't regret, we shouldn't feel bad and stick up with that thing that winning is important, winning is everything, because by losing you will learn a lot of new things and you will remember what to do next. You will have an idea where not to go wrong, so next time you just can rectify it and do the thing. So yes, just don't keep that in mind that winning is important for everything. The next one is create your own happiness. This is very important and special, because you just can't expect other people to give you happiness if you don't know what really you want, because no one in this world can love you like you do, and no one can give you happiness like you do yourself, because your ways to be happy. You can buy yourself something, you can make yourself something, you can do things you love and be happy instead of expecting others to make you happy. So yes, just create your own rainbow. The next one is don't lose yourself. This is something which everyone have to remember, because we usually lose ourselves thinking that other people, thinking about other people. And let it be in any kind of a situation, let it be a friendship or relationship or whatever it may be, you shouldn't use yourself for loving other person and other people to love you, because if a real person can't love the real you just can't expect them to be with you at your worst. So just don't lose yourself for other people. The last second one is try new things. Now this is very, a cute one maybe, because trying new things never go out of waste, because you either lose or win, but you will learn a lot of things. You will gain a lot of knowledge, you'll get to explore things, and sometimes you will even find new friends. So why not try new things and be a good part of it, instead of just wasting your time when you don't have nothing to do. Now coming to the last one, being selfish is okay sometimes. Sometimes you're in a situations where you really need that thing, you really worked hard for that thing, but you need to be selfish. Then just be. You can be selfish for something you want, and you will wait for that for whatever time it may be. Not always it's good, but sometimes for the things which you really want and you really want to do, just be selfish. It is okay to do that. So okay guys, so I think we are done with the video. Please, I hope you guys watch the full video, and these are the things which I learned, like slowly. There are many things which I hope I knew before, but it is okay, I learned them now. And these are the things which are really very important, and you shouldn't let them go. So yes, I hope you guys like this video, and like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and also follow my Instagram handle. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.